So this video was recorded back in June, so everything that was regarding this PC is probably now out of date or has been changed or replaced. So this is originally my older brother's PC. I just helped him build it, so it's not mine, okay? I already have one. So you might have noticed by the video length that this video is really short, which means I'm obviously not going to show y'all the whole building process. But if y'all want me to upload the entire building process of this PC, let me know in the comments, because I will definitely hit y'all up with a video for that. Once the people have spoken, I will get to uploading. So I hope y'all enjoy this nonetheless, so let's just get into it.
Hey guys, it's Austin here.
Hey guys, this is Austin.
But, oh wait, that's not me. What's going on, guys? It's your man, the Lone Prince. And I know I ain't been on this channel in a long time, basically because I haven't had the equipment, but
Yes, sir.
I have all the equipment to my first gaming PC. So you guys are gonna go through this journey with me to see me building my first PC. I barely know what I'm doing, so let's just get into
Luigi number one.
Nigga, let's go, hold up, wait a minute, nigga.